Good morning, everyone. A very special good morning to you all. Please let me know if I'm properly audible and visible to you all. Let me know if I'm properly audible and visible so that we can begin the session. Good morning. Please let me know if I'm properly audible so that we can begin the class. Right? And please mark your presence in if you are present in the class. We have to start the chapter syllogism and inequality. We have to start the chapter syllogism and inequality. Syllogism and inequality. Right? Kiran Kumar. Yes, good. Okay. So we are starting the chapter. Just give me 1 minute. Give me 1 or 2 minutes to load the PDF, and then we are starting the session. Right, Kiran? So, guys, let's start the class. Okay. We are having the PDF now. We are having the PDF. Let me load the PDF. Where is the PDF? Okay, okay. Okay. So we are starting with the questions. We are starting with the syllogism question. The first question is on our screen. I am giving you 30 to 40 seconds to solve the question. Then I will let you know the right answer for this one. I am giving you 30 to 40 seconds for this question. Then I will let you know the right answer. Give it a try and let me know the right answer. Come on, everyone. Give it a try and let me know the right answer for this question. Okay. Let's see what should be the right answer. Let's see what should be the right answer. In this question, it is given all garden is flower. All garden is flower. No flower is marigold. No flower is marigold. Some flower are spring. Some flower are spring. Like this. So what should be the conclusion? What should be the conclusion? Conclusion number one, some spring is garden. Some spring is garden. Can you see any relation between spring and garden? Can you see any relation? There is no relation between spring and garden. So first conclusion is wrong. No garden is spring. We cannot say that there is no garden which is spring. Garden and spring, we cannot see any definite relation between them. Whenever we cannot see any definite relation between two elements, then we cannot give any conclusion between them. For example, uh, you don't know my age and you don't know about me and I don't know about you. So I cannot say anything about you and you cannot say anything about me. Can you say anything about us? We both are in the party. Let's say our common friend, there are three friends, there are three person, A, B and C. This C is the friend of A, this B is also the friend of A, and C and B are invited in the party of A. C and B both are invited in the party of A. A knows C and A knows B, but B and C does not know each other. So B and C cannot say anything about themselves. B cannot say anything about C and C cannot say anything about B. C can be a good person or cannot be a good person. Similarly, B can be a good person, cannot be a good person. The same thing follows over here. He is saying no garden is spring. See, garden is having relation with F, spring is having relation with F, but we cannot say anything between garden and spring because in the statement there is nothing given about the garden and spring. In the statement there is nothing given about the garden and spring, and hence we cannot say anything between garden and spring. The first one is wrong and the second one is wrong as well. Second one is wrong as well, right? Second one is wrong as well. So the answer should be none follows. Option number E, none follows. uh HK590280, what kind of name this is? First of all, second thing is ये जो आपका बैच है, ये इंग्लिश मीडियम बैच है, ये इंग्लिश मीडियम बैच है, तो हिंदी यहाँ पे नहीं मिल पाएगी. आई एम सॉरी फॉर दिस थिंग. यहाँ पे प्रॉपर इंग्लिश में ही होगा क्योंकि दिस इज अ इंग्लिश मीडियम बैच, राइट? क्योंकि इंग्लिश मीडियम बैच है इसीलिए वी हैव टू कवर ऑल द थिंग्स इन इंग्लिश मीडियम ओनली एंड आई कैन नॉट कंटिन्यू इन हिंदी. I hope you are getting my point. Let's move on to the second question. The second question on our screen is like this. Give it a try and let me know the right answer. Let's see the right answer for this question, my dear friend. The question is, some circle are square. Some circle are square. No square are rectangle. all rectangle are triangle, all rectangle are triangle like this. Okay. In the conclusion number 1, some circle are rectangle. Circle are there, rectangle are there. I cannot say anything between circle and rectangle because there is nothing given. So first one is wrong. No square is triangle, no square is triangle. See, in this question also there is nothing given between square and triangle. There is nothing given between square and triangle. But there is given between square and triangle in a hidden way. In a hidden way. How? No, not in a hidden way as well. Not in a hidden way. No square is triangle. He is saying no. No means none of the square is triangle. None of the square is triangle. But I can say that only the colored portion which I am coloring right now, that this part of triangle does not hold any relation with square. Why? Because this part of triangle is also a part of rectangle, and rectangle does not have any relation with square. So in other words, I can say only this much part of triangle which is colored in the red part does not have any relation with the square, but square can make the part of relation with this much triangle, and this much triangle. So this is wrong to say. This is wrong to say that no square is triangle. This is wrong to say. We can say some triangle are not square. We can say, but this is wrong to say that no square is triangle. So the right answer should be none follows. Option number E, none follows. In the previous question, actually, this was not the none follows. This is not the none follows. It should be either or. It should be either or. Why? Because they are following the condition of either or. Both the conclusion are wrong. Element are same. Spring, garden, garden, spring. Elements are same. And one complementary pair of either or is there, that is some and no. Some and no. And hence this follow the either or. The condition of either or. Next question on our screen. Third question on our screen. What should be the right answer? What should be the right answer? Let me know. What should be the right answer? Come on. Let me know the right answer for this one. Okay, let's see the right answer for this question again. All row are column. All row are column. Like this, all row are coming inside column. No row is cross. No row is cross. This is column. This is cross. All cross are puzzle. All cross are puzzle. The conclusion number 1 says no row is puzzle. No row is puzzle. See, row is not having any relation with cross, but row can have the relation of relation with puzzle with the outer part, with these much part. Row cannot have any relation with puzzle with this part only, with this part, because row is not having any relation with cross. So cross is coming inside puzzle. So row will not have the part of relation. This much part of puzzle is not having any relation with row. But the remaining part of puzzle can make relation with row, right? So this is wrong to say that no row is puzzle. This is wrong to say. Second, some column are cross is a possibility. Some column are cross. Now one more thing again. The cross does not have any relation with row. Cross does not have any relation with row. Then I can say that cross is not having this much part of column. This much part of column does not hold any relation with cross as well. But he is saying some column or cross is a possibility. So this much part of column can make relation with cross, because cross is not having with row, and if I am drawing cross in this much part of column, then cross and row does not make any relation as well again. So answer should be only two follows. Option number A. Option number A. Right? Next, fourth question on our screen. Fourth question on our screen. What should be the right answer? What should be the right answer for this one? Come on. Okay, let's see. All north are east. We are given that all north are east. All east are west. No east is south. East is not having any relation with south. Now, let's see. In the conclusion number 1, he is saying no north is south. No north is south. I want to explain one thing to you. If south is not having any relation with east, so south will not have any relation with north, because this north is coming inside east, this north is coming inside east. If south cannot make entry in the outside, then how can it make in the entry inside? If south cannot make entry with east, then how south can make entry with north? Are you getting my point? If he is restricted from the outer element, then he is restricted from the inner element as well. So no north is south is true. That no south is north and no north is south, both are true. Some west are not north. There are some part of west which are north. There are some part of west which are not north. This is false, because we can only say that this much part of west is north, but we are not sure about the remaining part of west. That can be north and cannot be north. That can be north and cannot be north. Whenever we are having a situation like can be or cannot be, we mark our answer as wrong because we are not sure. So the answer is only one follows. That is option number C. Option number C. Fifth question. Fifth question on our screen. What should be the right answer? What should be the right answer for this one? Come on. Okay, let's see the answer for this one. Some 3 are 1, some 3 are 1, some 1 are 2, no 1 is 4. So 1 is not having any relation with 4. Conclusions are saying some 3 are 2. Can we see any relation between 3 and 2? There is nothing given. So we cannot say that some 3 are 2 or not. So first is wrong. No 3 are 2. Again no 3 are 2. I am saying that there is nothing given between 3 and 2. So we cannot say anything between 3 and 2, neither in a positive way nor in a negative way. But in possibility, we can say anything between 3 and 2. So this is also wrong. Answer should be either or neither nor. Both are wrong. Some and no pair they given. 3, 3, 2 and 2. Subject and predicate are same. I should say elements are same. So answer should be option number D. Either 1 or 2 follows. Next question again on our screen. What should be the right answer for this sixth question? What should be the right answer for this sixth question? Come on. Let's see. Question is, some Chrome are Mozilla, some Chrome are Mozilla, no Mozilla are Safari, and some Safari are Opera, like this. What should be the right conclusion? Some Chrome or Safari is a possibility. Some Chrome or Safari. See, Chrome and Safari does not have any relation. We cannot see anything between them and nothing is given between them. But Chrome and Safari can have a relation between them. So first one is right. No Opera is Mozilla. Similarly, Opera and Mozilla, we cannot see any relation between them and nothing is given between them in the statement as well. So we cannot say anything between them directly. But if there was a possibility like this one, if it was written like a possibility that no Opera is Mozilla is a possibility, then it could be right. But definitely I cannot say anything between them. So second is wrong. Answer is only one, follows option number C. Next, seventh question. Seventh question on our screen. Seventh question on our screen. What should be the right answer? Okay, C. Let's see if C is the right answer. All honey are sugar. All honey are sugar. All honey are sugar. Some sugar is salt. No honey is water. And honey is not having any relation with water. Let's see the conclusions. Some salt is not water. There are some salt which does not have any relation with water. So we cannot see any relation between water and salt. We cannot see any relation between water and salt. And one more thing, whenever we are getting a conclusion like some not, like some salt is not water, you can do one thing that will always be true. What is that? Some salt is not water. He is saying that there are some salt which are not water. So I am saying let's try to put all salt into water. Can I put all salt into water? Let's see. This was water. I am putting all the salt inside the water. Some salt are sugar and all honey are sugar. When I draw such kind of diagram, does our statement contradict? Does our statement contradict? Our statement was all honey are sugar. I can see all honey are sugar. Some sugar is salt. I can say some sugar is salt. No honey is water. I can say that honey and water does not have any relation. Does not have any relation. Diagram may change. Diagram may change, but the statement should not change. And our statement is not changing. And hence, he is saying some salt is not water. He is wrong. Why he is wrong? Whenever we can put all, whenever we can prove that all are there, so some not is wrong. But if all was not there, then he is right that there are some part of uh, salt which are not water, right? Second, some honey is water is a possibility. Some honey is water. No, honey cannot be water because honey and water does not hold any relation. So this is also wrong. The answer should be none follows. Option number E, none follows. Next, eighth question on your screen. Eighth question on your screen. What should be the right answer for this one? Eighth question on your screen. What should be the right answer? The question is, some dance are classic, some dance are classic, all classic are old, some old are gold, like this. Conclusions are, some gold are classic. I cannot see any relation between gold and classic, so first is wrong. No classic is gold. Again, I cannot see any relation between them, so this is wrong. Some and no are there. Elements are same. Gold, gold, classic, classic. Answer should be option number D, either. Next, ninth question. Ninth question on your screen. What should be the right answer? All car is bike. The statement is all car is bike. Only a few bike is truck. Only a few bike is truck. So we have to mention like this, that there are only some bikes which are truck. The remaining bike are not truck. All bike is mobile. All bike is mobile. So all the bike will come inside mobile. Conclusion is, some mobile is truck. Yes, mobile is having some part of relation with truck. So we can see the red portion which I have marked the red color, that some part of mobile is truck. Some car is truck. Car and truck does not share any relation. So second is wrong. Answer is only one follows, option number C. Next. 10th question on your screen. 10th question on your screen. 10th question on your screen. Come on, let me know the right answer. Let's see the right answer for this question. Do we have the answer? Okay, Kiran is saying B. No hydro is water. No hydro is water. Some water is vapor. There are some water which are vapor, and some hydro is account. Some hydro is account. The conclusion number one says, all account can never be water. All these account can never be water. See, if we are saying, he's saying all account can never be water. Is he saying true or false? If I'm putting all account in water, then with account, some hydro will also go, but hydro cannot go in water. So he is right that all account can never be water. All the account cannot be water. What? Some account can be water. If I'm including some account with water, it can be possible, but all the account cannot be water. If I'm putting all the account in water, then some of the hydro will also go, which is not quite possible, right? So the first conclusion is true. First conclusion is true, that all account can never be water. Some vapor are not account. There are some vapor which are not account. I told you in the previous question, whenever we are getting some not kind of question, that some vapor are not account, you can do one thing, you can put all the vapor in account. If all is getting true, if all is getting true, then some not will be, then some not will be wrong. And if all is getting false, then some not will be true. Some not will be true. Some vapor are not account. Can I put some vapor in account? Yes, sir. We can put all vapor in account. With vapor, all water can come in account. There will be no harm in the statement. So all is true, then some not will be wrong. Some not will be wrong. Answer is option number C, only one follows. Option number C, only one follows. Option number C, only one follows. Right? Next question. 11th. 11th question on our screen. 11th question on our screen. Let's see. No lychee is grapes. No lychee is grapes. Some papaya are guava, but this is grapes. So papaya guava cannot have any relation right now. All guava are lychee. All guava are lychee. So all the guava will come inside lychee. All the guava come inside lychee. And some papaya are guava. Some papaya are guava, and papaya will make relation with guava. So papaya by default will make relation with lychee. Now we need to find that which conclusion is true. We need to find which conclusion is true. Some papaya are lychee. Some papaya are lychee. Yes, this is true. This is true. No grape is guava is a possibility. No grape is guava. So let's see. No grape is guava. No grape is guava. Grape is not having any relation with lychee. If grape is restricted with the outer element, so grape will be restricted with the inner element. And no grape is guava. This part will be true. If this part is true, possibility will be wrong. Possibility will be wrong. So this one is wrong. Some lychee are guavas. Some lychee are guavas. I can say yes, some lychee are guava. We can see that guava and lychee are having relation with each other. Some guava are not grapes. There are some guava which are not grape. We can say that no guava is grape. If no guava is grape, then some guava are not grape is also true. All grape are papaya is a possibility. All grape are papaya. All these grapes can come inside this papaya because there will be no harm. So this is also a true. We needed to find which conclusion does not follow, and option number B is the conclusion which does not follow. 12th question. In the 12th question again we need to find which conclusion does not follow. Which conclusion does not follow. Let's see the right answer for this one. All moon are earth. All the moon are coming inside earth. Some planet are not sun. Moon, earth, planet earth both are different. Some moon are planet. Some moon are planet. So planet will by default make relation with earth. And there are some planet which are not sun. So I am marking this much planet. This much planet is not sun. Okay, this much planet is not having a relation with sun. Conclusion. some earth are planet, some earth are planet. We can see that some part of earth, this part of earth is having relation with planet. So first conclusion is, am I audible now? Am I audible? Let me know if I'm audible now. Am I audible now? Is the voice coming now or not? Let me know. Now audible? Okay, thank you, Kiran. Thank you so much for letting me know. Uh, do I need to explain this question again or was it clear? Do I need to explain this question or was it clear? Let me know. Do I need to explain this question or was it clear? KC 8699, what kind of name this is? Let me know if this is clear. Okay, can you? Okay, okay, I can explain it once more. Okay, no issue, Ashwin. No issue. I can explain it once again. See, with all the conclusion, we are explaining you once again. In the conclusion number 1, he is saying some earth are planet. So we can see that this red portion is of earth as well as of planet. So some earth are planet is true. All sun or planet is a possibility. Can these all sun come inside planet? Yes, this can come. Whenever we are having a statement that some planet are not sun, it means some planet are not a part of sun, but all the sun can be planet, all the sun can be planet, and all the planet cannot be sun, because if all the planet are going inside sun, all the planet going inside sun, then our statement will contradict, because statement says some planet are not sun. But all this sun can come inside planet like this, all this sun can come inside planet, and our statement was some planet are not sun, still the some portion of planet is not sun. So this is also true, this conclusion is also true. Okay, okay. Next, third one, some sun is moon is a possibility. Sun is sun, the relation of sun can be possible with planet, with earth, with moon, with all. So C is also right, because there is nothing given between sun and moon. Between sun and moon, there is nothing given. Neither the wrong neither the negative, neither the positive. So if there is nothing given between two person, we can make any possibility. We can make any possibility. Some earth is not sun, there are some earth which are not sun. So this is wrong, this is wrong, because between earth and sun nothing is given. Between earth and sun nothing is given, and if there is nothing given between two person, we can make possibility, but we cannot say definitely. And in that C conclusion, it was given as a possibility, so we made it right. But in the D1 there is no possibility and it is given definitely, so definitely we cannot say anything. Some moon are earth, I can say yes, moon and earth are having relation, so option number E is also right. Only and only conclusion number D is wrong. I hope this is clear. Next, 13th question. 13th question on our screen. 13th question on our screen. Come on. Let's see the right solution for this one as well. Only a few cake are flavor. There are only few cakes. There are only few cakes which are flavor, which are a part of flavor. Some chocolate are cake. There are some chocolate. There are some chocolate which are cake. There are some chocolate which are cake. No chocolate is white. There is no chocolate which is white. There is no chocolate which is white. Now let's see the conclusions. Which is the conclusion which is wrong? Okay. Some cakes are not white. Some cake are not white. See, which of the following cake is not white? White is not having relation with chocolate. White does not hold any relation with chocolate. So this part of portion, this portion which I have colored in red is the part of chocolate and cake. Is the part of chocolate and cake, right? So this part of cake is not white. So conclusion number one is true. Conclusion number one is true. Or when I told you that whenever we are having some not kind of conclusion, you can check it by the all. You can check it by the all. If all is it true, then some not is false, and if all is false, then some not is true, right? So he is saying some cake are not white. Can you put all the cake in white? If you are bringing all the cake into white, if you are bringing all the cake into white, so with the cake chocolate will also go, with cake chocolate will also go, but chocolate cannot go inside white. That's why all is wrong, and if all is wrong, some not is right, and I have done the same part. Okay. All cake is flavor is a possibility. Can these all cake go inside flavor? No. This cake, all the cake cannot go inside. Why? Because he has said only few cake. Only few means only few will remain with flavor, but not the remaining one. Only few means the limited portion of cake. All white can be cake. These all white cannot make relation with chocolate, but these all white can make with cake with flavor as well. So all white can be cake. All white can be cake. Some flavor are cake. I can say that some flavor are having relation with cake. So this is also right. Some flavor is chocolate is a possibility. Flavor and chocolate can make relation with themselves because there is nothing said between them. There is nothing said between them. So they can make possibility. So some flavor is chocolate is a possibility is also right. Only conclusion number 2 does not follow. Next 14th question. 14th question on our screen. B. Okay, let's see. Some chair. Some chair are table. There are some chair which are table. No table is jogging. Table and jogging does not have relation with each other. Some jogging are fire, and some running are jogging. Some running are jogging, like this. This is the statement that we can draw. First conclusion, some running are fire. Running is there, fire is there. They do not have any relation. They do not have any relation, but they can make relation. And they can make means it is a possibility. But he is not saying the possibility, he is saying definitely. So some running or fire is wrong. Some running or fire is wrong. No fire are running. No fire are running. Same thing again. Fire and running does not have any relation, but they can make relation. They can make relation. So no fire are running is also wrong. Some jogging or chair. Some jogging or chair. We cannot see any relation between jogging and chair. So this is also wrong. But the answer should be, answer not should be none follows. Answer should be this 1 and 2 both are wrong. Running, running, fire, fire. Element are same. Both are wrong. And complementary pair some and no is there. So answer should be either 1 or 2. Either 1 or 2, option number C. Either 1 or 2, option number C. Very good, Kiran and Anup. Very good. Finally, I got the right answer. Finally, at the 14th question, I got the right answer. Great. 15th question on our screen. 15th question on our screen. What should be the right answer? 15th question on our screen. What should be the right answer? Come on. Okay. Let's see the right answer for this one. All font are letter. All the font are letter. No letter are finger. No letter are finger. This is the part of finger. Fi means finger. And no font is hand. Similarly, font is not having relation with hand as well. Conclusion are some letter are not hand. There are some letter which are not hand. Which of the following letters are not hand? These are the letters which I have colored into red are the portion of letter which are not hand, right? So conclusion one is true. Why they are not hand? Because this part of letter does not have any relation with hand. This part of letter is captured by font and font does not have any relation with hand. So this part of font which is coming inside letter does not have any relation with hand. And first conclusion is the right. First conclusion is the right. No font is finger. No font is finger. This is also right because finger is restricted from the outer element. So finger will be restricted from the inner element as well. If finger is restricted from the outer one, then finger will be restricted from the inner one as well. Some hand are not finger. There are some hand which are not finger. Which are those hand? Which are those hand? He is already saying, okay, okay, some hand are not finger. This is hand, this is finger, this is there is nothing given between them, there is nothing given between them. So I cannot say that some hand are not finger. This is wrong. But if it was given is a possibility, then it could have been right. It could have been right if it was given the possibility. But definitely we cannot say between hand and finger. Answer should be 1 and 2 is true. Option number C. Option number C, 1 and 2 are true. Very good, Ashwin and Anup. Very good, my dear friend. Very good. Okay. Next, we are having the 16th question on our screen. This should be done in your homework. You should complete this question in your homework. I have to end the class because some other teacher has to complete his class as well, and I have to take my another class. So that's it for today. If you like the class, then let me know in the comment box so that I can know that I was able to make you understand the syllogism concept, right? And do let me know via proper ratings so that I can know that yes, the students are getting the things from me. That's it for today from my side. Thank you everyone. Have a nice day and take care. See you tomorrow at same time 11 a.m. Thank you.